G'day and welcome to the Guy Who Sews channel. My name is Sean and today is a time lapse of the third chapter of the Mad Quilt Party block. Today we're going to make the Mad Hatter. Come see it all come together in just a few moments and we'll show you the finished product soon. Let's take a look at the completed block. I thought this turned out so beautifully. This is his head and his face. I ended up using Kona Sheen for the blush, but everything else is the kit from Tula Pink Fabrics. And I think this turned out really nicely. Let me know in the comments what you think and which block so far has been your favorite. There is a bonus block for this, which is a cake that we're going to do as a separate video, which should be coming out very soon. If you liked today's video, please hit the like button, tell a friend, and I always love hearing comments from my viewers. So I hope you all have a great day, happy sewing, and we'll see you all soon. Happy sewing, bye.